How to change the strap on a Casio F91W watch. So just turn it over. Now there's a pin inside the strap here, and you'll notice there's an arrow pointing this way. So what you can do is get a paper clip and push this in like that. Now pushes the strap away. Pull the pin out. You can just slide the old strap out. If the pin doesn't come out very easily, you may want to use the help of a pair of pliers. Stick it on the end so a bit sticks out. That'll give you better grip. Get your new strap, line it up, and push it through. Get a pair of pliers or whatever to push it all the way through so it's secure. Now only come out one way. Just follow the arrow here, and that's the way it will go out, and then the reverse of the arrow to go in.